Rice telling straight from rice effect. All right. So lately, I've been getting more questions on my social media, especially TikTok and Telegram. Right. So my people have been asking me how I customize my trading view. All right. So today, what we are about to do is that we will download the trading view from the website, install it, and then customize it to your liking. All right. So to my liking, though, because I'm the one doing it. But you can do it, change the color, change everything to your liking. All right. So without wasting much time, let's get on the charts and then I will show you how it is done. So this is what you need to do. Just open Google on your browser and then type in TradingView desktop. So type in TradingView desktop. All right. So when it opens, make sure you click on the first link, right? Click on the first link that appears. So after clicking on the link, you will see a couple of choices there. All right. So if you are using a Windows or an Apple or other devices, then you select the device that you are using. All right. So I'm using the Windows, so I will just have to download this one. So after this, you'll have the application. So make sure you install it. And then after installing, and then open it and begin your settings. All right. So I've already installed it. So let me open it and then we continue from there. All right. So this is the interface. After downloading and installing, you will see something like this. Okay. So after this, you have to go to your profile. Make sure you log in. If you don't have an account, then you sign out. Sorry, you sign up. It's free. It's actually free though. So you have the demo version. Just sign up and then your account is good to go. All right. So we are not here for that. We are here to customize the trading view. Okay. So this is the default settings on the trading view. So first thing first, what we need to do is go to the settings, right? So right click on the trading view and then click on the settings there. All right, so let's start from the top and end it at the bottom. All right, so this is symbols and then status line, skills, canvas, or whatever. All right, so let's start with the symbols. So no, let's start with a canvas rather. All right, so this is the background, right? So the background should be solid, and then let's change the color to something like gray. No, I think this one is better. All right, so this one is cool. So I like this particular color. All right, so the grid line, vert and horizontal. Let's remove the grid. Okay, so put none. And then the cross, let's change this color to black because you need to see. Okay, so this is black now. Can you see? It has changed. So we'll be able to see everything. All right. So let's go on to the watermark, remove it. Untick the watermark. The text, let's put in black. All right. So 12, I think 12 is okay. And then the lines too. Let's do it solid black as well. Yeah, all right. I think this one is cool. Let me, okay, perfect. All right. So, all right. So I think that's it for the canvas. Let's look at how it looks now. All right. So this is it. After changing the background and then the lines, this is how it looks. All right. So let's continue with the settings. So let's start with a symbol at the top. So right now we are about to customize the candlesticks. All right. So the body, this is the candle body. So the candle body, I prefer it to be blue. I think this one is okay. Blue and then the black for the wick. Yeah, yeah, I think this one is okay. And then the borders, black is okay. No, let's do it blue. All right, so blue is okay. Blue, the red. No, let's do this one black. No, this one rather. Let's see how it looks. Not bad, not bad. But let's change the bearish candle. So I think the bearish is still red. So let's change that to black. I think black will be cool. Right, perfect. Nice one. So the black is okay. So as you can see, it is pretty clean right here. All right. So let's continue. So we are done with the body, right? So let's go to the status line. So if you want the logo to be in, you just have to leave it there. But I prefer to remove everything here. But you can leave the title though. All right, so leave the title and then the volume, remove the volume. Right. So we are done with this side. Let's go to the scales. All right, so I think I don't have, you can choose to edit all this, but I think it's okay for me. Yeah, it is okay for me. So let's go to the canvas. I think we already been here. So background, grid line, vert, crosshair, and then watermark, whatever. I think it's looking pretty cool. So buy and sell, positions, profit loss, whatever. All right. So I think that's it for the background. Right, that's it for the background. So after doing this, you just have to go ahead and then save or save as a default. So I fucked it up. All right. So sorry guys. So you just have to save and that's it. All right, so that's it. So let's get rid of this volume. So you just have to put the mouse on it and then click on the delete, the dustbin. All right, so we are good to go. So as you can see, it is looking pretty cool, simple now. All right, so let's go ahead and add some currencies. So as you know, I trade Forex, right? So I like currencies the most. So let's delete all these. I think let's leave the DXY, that's the dollar index. So let's delete all the stocks. Let's leave oil and gold, delete silver, and then leave the currency alone right here. All right, so you can drag this one at the top, drag it down. I think it is okay. Yeah, so I think it's okay now. So this is how your desktop or your TradingView dashboard will be looking at after customizing it. You can choose any color that you want. It doesn't matter, but I prefer the blue and then the black. The blue representing the bearish, sorry, the bullish, and then the black representing the bearish. All right, so let's see if you can do small tricks on the TradingView. No, I think I'll have to do another video about it. How I customize my what's the name? Trend line, buy or sell positions, long or short, Fibonacci, the brush, the test. So if you guys appreciate me doing this video, I'll come back for part 2 and then I'll explain every details about how you can use your trend line and then the rest of the tools. All right, so if you are new to this channel, make sure you click on the subscribe button so that anytime that we drop new video, you will be the first person to be notified. Right, so without wasting much time, let's go home.